Good morning students. Today's subject is EVS. In EVS, your first chapter is understanding our relations. I told you about relations and families and how many types of families in my previous video. So, how many types of families? There are two types of family. First is joint and second is nuclear. What is joint family? Joint family, there are grandma, grandpa, mother, father, uncle, aunt live with their children, all is called joint family. And nuclear family, there are mother, father and their children is called nuclear family. Okay, so now I'm going to discuss about, so now we will discuss equations. Okay, we will solve equations. Okay, so what are causes of division of joint family? Okay, we will discuss the reason of division of a joint family. Okay, so first, in search of occupation or higher educations or higher educations, family are migrating from village to cities. Okay, in search of occupation or higher education, families are migrating from village to cities. In cities, there are small houses. In which a few family members can stay together. We can see our parents send us in cities for getting higher education, and some people go to outside for get a good job. So they are go from a village to cities. Okay, they are from a village to cities. In cities, there are small houses. Because cities are big and small houses are small, because in cities populations there are many populations. Okay, so it's the reason in cities there are small houses, or in which a few family members can stay together. It's the reason small houses is the reason a few family members can stay together. So first reason is higher educations and migrating from village to cities, and small houses and few family members can stay together. In cities, in small houses, many people are not stay together because there are no space to adjust them. Okay, so it's the first reason to division of a joint family. Second is some other reasons are also there for the division of joint families, like number of families members. So second reason, what is second reason? Some other reasons are also there for the division of joint family. First reason is number of family members. Okay, second is habits, third is behavior of the family members, and fourth is economic condition. Okay, and capacity to spend, etc. Some reasons are come here. Some reasons are coming here. So first is number of family members, second is habits, third is behavior, and fourth is third is behavior of the family members, and fourth is economics condition, capacity to spend, etc. We can say in a family many people live with each other, so some people's are thoughts, thinking and behavior are matched with each other and some are not. So it's the reason to divide a family. It's the reason to divide a family. So third reason is, I am going to write the third reason is the third reason is continuous changes in the ways of celebration of festivals. Third reason is continuous changes in the ways of celebration, in the ways of celebration, ways of celebration, the ways of celebration, and of festival is another main reason. Celebration of festival is another main reason. Main reason for the formation of nuclear family. For the formation of nuclear family. Okay. So third reason is continuous changes in the ways of celebration of the festival is another main reason for the formation of nuclear family. In a family, many types of people live with each other. Some people thinking, thought, behavior are matched with other people, some are not. So okay, in third point, continuous changes in the ways of celebration of festival is another main reason for the formation of nuclear family. So third point is continuous changes in the ways of celebration of festivals is another main reason for the formation of nuclear family. So in a joint family, many people live with each other. Some thoughts are matched with other people and some are not. Okay, it is just like that. So in past time, our grandparents and paternal grandparents and maternal grandparents celebrated festivals from old ways, okay, from their ways. In this time, at present, we celebrated festivals from different ways. So it is the main reason to divide a family. Okay, our grandparents celebrated festivals from different types, from different ways. Okay, in the old ways, and in this time nowadays we celebrate the same festival in different ways. Okay, so this is the main reason for the formation of nuclear family. This is the main reason for the formation of nuclear family. Okay, our grandparents follow the old rituals, old ways, and we are follows modern rituals, modern ways. Okay, so this is the reason to for the formation of nuclear family. Okay, so second question is why Gregor John Mendel is known as father of genetic Who is Gregor John Mendel? I told you in my previous video, Gregor John Mendel is the father of genetics. He worked on genetics. Okay, Gregor John Mendel and Hargobind Singh Khurana worked on genetics. So Gregor John Mendel got gold medals in, Gregor John Mendel was the father of genetics, is known as the father of genetics, and Hargobind Khurana got gold medals in genetics. Okay, so Gregor John Mendel has done experiments, has done a lot of experiments. Sorry, I didn't write here, so now I am going to write a lot. Okay, a lot. Gregor John Mendel has done a lot of experiments on the pea plants when he worked on genetics. So first he experimented on the pea plant. Okay, and he formulated the laws of inheritance. For this reason he is known as the father of genetics. When he worked on the pea plant, Gregor John Mendel has done a lot of experiments on the pea plants. He formulated the laws of inheritance. For this reason he formulated the laws of inheritance. He formulated the laws of inheritance. For this reason he is known as the father of genetics. Father of genetics. Okay, Gregor John Mendel was the first person who worked on the genetics. Okay, and second person was the Hargobind Singh Khurana. Okay, so Gregor John Mendel has done a lot of experiments on the pea plant. He worked for genetics. He worked on the pea plant knew about the genetics. Okay, first he formulated the laws of inheritance. Okay, for this reason he is known as the father of genetics. Okay, so third question is, what is hereditary characters? I told you about heredity. Okay, heredity. So in this video we will discuss about hereditary tree. Hereditary tree. What is hereditary characters? So third question is, what is hereditary characters? Okay, so now I'm going to draw a hereditary tree to explain you what is hereditary. Okay, answer. it is a hereditary tree. Okay, hereditary tree. Heredity transfers the characteristics of our parents, like here I wrote paternal, and there I wrote maternal parents. Okay, great grandparents. Great grandparents is the parents of our great grandparents. Okay, and grandparents is the parents of our parents. Okay, so in a hereditary tree, great grandparents character transfer to grandparents, or grandparents character transfer to parents, and parents characters transfer to children. Okay, so same way maternal relatives, great grandparents transfers characters to grandparents, and grandparents transfer characters to parents, and parents transfer characters to children. Okay, it is a hereditary tree. So the physical characteristics are inherited in the children's. Physical characteristics are inherited in the children from their parents and grandparents. These characteristics are known as hereditary characters. Okay, so this is hereditary tree. How to characteristic transfer to a children's. Okay, so in this video I taught you about division of joint family and causes of division of joint family, and why the Gregor John Mendel known as the father of genetics, and what is hereditary characters. So these 3 questions you will write in your notebook, in your fair notebook, and send me on WhatsApp. Remember students, you will mention your name front or top of the notebook and send me on the WhatsApp. Thank you. Have a nice day.